Hey everyone, so it's Colin. Today what we're going to be working on is we're going to be actually putting BMW E30 manual sport seats inside my BMW E28. It's a really cool modification, and when you do this modification, it's relatively affordable compared to E28 seats, which you can never find online. So these are the, I'll show you the seats here. Chair's not too bad. Going to be doing a little bit of wet leather working on here, refitting. Getting some welting and some stitching on here. Passenger seat is mint. I think these up for $300. So we're going to begin the process, taking out the automatic seats, possibly putting in adapters. Alright, so we start off with this bolt. What size is that, Brian?
That's a 17 millimeter.
So start off with 17 millimeter.
Two in the rear.
Now we are working on the front too.
Yep. One on this side, one on the other side. Plug underneath here. Just wiggle that out. And out comes the seat. Oh, we got the seat too. This little plastic cover, just unclips. And that should also be a 17. And it is.
Seat is uninstalled. So I put the E30 seat in. You'll see it's about a quarter inch off. And then on this side, what we're gonna do is we're not gonna center it. We're just gonna actually push one over, and then we're gonna have it kind of on the side here, and just bolt it right in.
Nice thick metal stock. Cut a little section off of it. Weld it directly onto the original bracket and drill a new hole so the holes line up and bolt it right in.
Alright, so right now we're
cutting our sections out of there. It's 2 by 3 is the little panel we need to cut. So I'm gonna cut a big rectangle out of here and then just chop them up into a couple different pieces for the brackets.
awesome. Make the brackets out of wood.
Yeah, just wooden brackets. Is here on the
Plates.
just like that. Just like that. So we can bolt up in the factory holes. That's pretty good.
No, that's not bad at all. It's pretty simple. Yeah, and someone did say it was possible to swap the automatic rails on. And I was like, oh. He's like, it's a huge pain in the ass to do it though.
Okay, because that's what I was looking at. It's like,
Yeah.
my guess is the bolt pattern is similar enough where we probably can make it work. But so those brackets we made up, real simple. The top right on, right around where the hole used to be, so we can just weld all the way around on the top. Be nice and solid, ready to go. Hold on. Welding. Welding. Not gonna hurt nothing.
Alright, so we have everything welded on. Brackets welded up.
Need to do some cleanup, drill some holes for the bolt holes.
Alright, so right now we are going to be painting. Painting these black, we just used a wire brush. You can choose to do this option if you want or not. Brian can also supply you the metal that's already painted. Alright, so we just finished painting. Looks good. Putting the bolts in.
Lines right up.